Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a new YouTube channel for beginners. So firstly, go to youtube.com. You want to click on the sign in button and you will see this screen here. So you want to create a new account because this email address will be associated with your brand new YouTube channel. So click on create account. You have three options: for my personal use, for my child, for work, or my business. Click on for my personal use. Then you want to enter your first name and your surname, which is optional. So here, this will be just a test to show you how it works. Then enter your date of birth and gender. Then you want to click on get a Gmail address instead. Here you want to choose your email address that you would like to use for this new YouTube channel. So here we can see the name is taken. So you can play around with different combinations to find one that isn't taken. Then enter your password. Create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and special characters. Click on next. Then you will need to confirm that you're not a robot, so you need a valid phone number. Then you will need to enter the 6-digit verification code. Then you can add a recovery email in case you forget your password. So you can enter that in here. Now we have our brand new email address there. Click on next. And accept all. And agree to the privacy terms. So now you have your brand new account here, and you can see in the top right hand corner a symbol of a T. So this will be the first letter of your first name. And if you click on this, you can see the email address associated with your email account. So from here, we want to click on create a account. Now this is your name and your handle. So the name, this is the name of your channel. And this is the handle. So the handle is what is shown when you make comments in YouTube, and is also what is used to share your channel to other people. So I will show you that in a bit. So you want to create something which is easy to remember and that is short. So here we can see that this has already been taken. So we need to change it slightly. That's also taken. Brilliant. So that's available here. Now we can click on create channel. So here we have our channel. Now what we want to do is to click on the S. So this T has changed to S because it's the first letter of the channel. So we can click on this S. Click on YouTube Studio here. So welcome to YouTube Studio. Click on continue. Now we can see lots of different things here, lots of different settings. Don't feel overwhelmed because I will take you through this step by step. First thing we want to go do is to click on customization. Now we want a banner image. So this is the image that will appear across the top of your channel. Then you want to set up your banner image, and you have the dimensions here. So you want to upload that. And here you can view it before you publish it, so you can see how it's viewable on all devices, on desktop and on the TV. So we can click on done. So that's the banner image. Now we want to click on your picture image. So this is your profile picture. And it will be a circle. So you just have to bear that in mind to have the most important elements in the middle of the picture. Click on done. So we have the banner image, we have the picture image. Now we can check our name, our handle. So it says here to choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So it gives you a bit more information about the handle. So here you can see this is how your channel will be seen. So if you want to share your channel to other platforms, for example, on X, on Instagram, or on TikTok, this is how it will be shown. And this is how people can search for you if they put @ before your handle name. You can add some description about your channel, which I think is very important because it lets YouTube know what your channel is about, so it can start to show it to the relevant audience. So you have 1,000 characters here, so you can put as much detail in here as you can. Your contact info. Now this is your email address that's going to be shown. So I highly recommend using a different email address. This helps you to stop your channel from being hacked. So use a different email address that's not connected with this account. And that's very important because you don't want all of your hard work to be undone if your YouTube channel gets hacked. You can add a video watermark here. And this is just shown in the bottom corner where people can click on to subscribe to your channel. It's not as important as it used to be, but that I can show you in another video. So here we have the basic things set up here. Now it's very important to click on publish, otherwise your changes will not be saved. So we can click on publish here. Now the next thing is to click on settings here. So we can change a few things here. So we have your channel, so your country of residence. We have keywords. Now the keywords, I also think these are important to help YouTube to show your channel to the right audience. So it's depending on what your channel is about. Is it about cooking, art? Is it about motivation? Whatever it is about, try to put in as many keywords here as you can. So after you write the word, press comma, and that will create the keyword there for you. So you can click on save. Let's just go back here. So we have advanced settings. Now this shows you if you want to click on the option that your channel is made for kids. Now you can choose this option every time you upload a video. You will be shown this. If you already know my videos are not made for kids, you can choose it here and this saves you time. You can click on don't show potentially inappropriate words. You can allow other people to clip your content. So this means that they would be able to use your content to create videos. This can be good for marketing, especially in the beginning when you are starting your channel, because it gives you free exposure. As your channel starts to grow, you may not want that, so you can turn that on. So you can turn this on or off. Allow third-party companies to train AI models using my content. You can choose yes or no. I've left this off. Feature eligibility. This is very important. So at the moment, we have standard features are turned on. So upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborators and new videos to playlists. So here we can see we can upload videos, we can create playlists. Now, the second verification step is to create custom thumbnails, which are very important, and to create videos longer than 15 minutes. So here you need to verify your phone number. This will also allow you to do live streaming if you want to. So click on verify phone number. Then here, verify your phone number, and you will receive a verification code. So this is very important to help you to start growing your channel, because you can create custom thumbnails, you can start building your own brand and growing your subscriber base. Then once you've done that, you can go on to number 3, and this allows you to create more shorts, more live streams. It gives you a lot more options and it's quick and easy to do. You will have to have verified your phone number and then either have a video verification, valid ID, channel history. So for your valid ID, you need something like a passport or driving license. So although it seems like it's a lot of hassle, trust me, you only have to do this once. It's very quick and easy to do. And once it's done, you can forget about it. So it's worthwhile doing this as soon as you can. Once you've done this, you can click on save. We have upload defaults, a title. Now your title will generally change with each video, so you don't need to put that. Your description may also change, but maybe there are some things that will always stay the same. Maybe it's certain hashtags. Maybe you have an affiliate link or selling a certain product. So you can put that here. So every time you upload a video, it will show up without you having to write it all over again. Then visibility. We have public, private, and unlisted. So it depends on how you will be uploading your videos. If you are going to be uploading your videos and publishing them at the same time, you don't need to worry about this. If you click on private, then when you upload the video, it will not be visible to anyone and you can schedule it when you want to. We also have unlisted. So anyone with the link will be able to watch the video, and again, you can schedule it for when you want to. Some people believe that it's a good idea to upload the video as unlisted and let it sit in the YouTube algorithm for at least 24 hours before clicking on public. But this is entirely up to you. You will soon discover that with YouTube that there is a lot of trial and error and a lot of testing. So for now, you can choose nothing. You can leave it blank. When you upload your video, you will be given these options. So you can choose when you want to either schedule it or unlisted or to publish straight away. You can add your tags here. Your tags are very important. You could have different tags for each video, or you could have some general tags that are around your brand and you can have them in here. So for example, you could have, so now these will be your tags, and this just helps YouTube to decide who to show your video to. We have permissions. So permissions, these are who have permissions on your channel. They can upload, comment, and take other public actions. So you can invite other people and you can give them different access. But for now, I wouldn't worry about this. when your channel starts to grow, and if you hire an editor or someone to manage your channel, you can give them certain access so that they can check certain things on your YouTube channel. So for example, an editor can view everything, go live and create and edit content, but they can't manage permissions or delete content. So here you can have peace of mind that they cannot delete your videos. So those are some of the important things here. We can click on save. If we click on view your channel, so here you can see what your channel looks like. We have the banner image, we have the profile picture, we have the channel name, we have the handle, and we have the description here. So to upload your video, you would click on create and upload video. Then you would select your file and follow through with the steps, and there you go. So as you can see, creating a YouTube channel is very quick and easy. It's very worthwhile to go through these steps. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.